All right, guys, a simple video today. I had a client reach out and he said, it just came to my attention that my emails are going to spam. So here's what I did. I contacted him. So he built this website a while ago, it's been working fine, and something with his email provider just changed. So here's what I would recommend you do. Every month, send yourself a test email. Put it on your calendar. It's important. If you're getting leads come through, if you're, these are 1,000 plus, $1,000 to $10,000 jobs that he's getting through. If you're getting leads come through that you are not getting, you're missing out on work. So put this on your calendar. Make sure that you test this. Just run through, send a contact form message to yourself, see if it comes through. But here's the fix. So here's the message with Carl. He says, hey, just made aware my website requests have been going to junk mail. So again, this was not the case when we set up the website. We tested it, everything was working. We don't necessarily go in and check these all the time, but as a business owner, it's on you or your team to set a reminder to make sure that you go through consistently. Monthly is what I'd recommend. I mean, you can do it more often than that, but consistently go through and make sure that your contact forms are working. Again, you're just going to send yourself a contact form. And he says, hey, I've missed email requests for jobs, and I say, can you mark it as not junk? But basically, what you're going to do, so this is his inbox here, someone looking for a 20 by 20 garage floor. And this is how it comes in off of Carl's site. But basically, he's going to go to his junk mail, find it, and then move it to the inbox. And then I just did a test, and he's good to go. So make sure that you do this. Make sure that your contact forms are coming through. Make sure that you're not missing out on jobs, because that's how you make money, is jobs coming through off your website. And if you've got an awesome website like Carl has, you're getting a ton of forms, and you don't want to be missing out on those. All right, if you find this helpful, please drop leads in the comments and subscribe. There's going to be more value like this. Talk soon.